fuck?
What are you doing here?
What the fuck
are you doing here? Come on, please just come and give me a hug.
Give you stupid dog.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
It's not what's funny. Guy, I was literally like thinking about you guys. What the fuck?
So what are you doing?
Shut up, Joe.
Shut up,
what are you doing here?
You want yourself, me.
Tell us now.
Why you want to tell me say they go house?
Because we're actually going getting.
Okay, now house with this.
When you came here, we were also shocked.
So now sleeping now they sleep.
So what do you want me to do?
Were you evicted?
Are you evicted?
I can't play piano now.
They're evicted.
Rooboy, come now.
Rooboy, I cannot be locked up with you.
I tell you to
You pick her?
Yes, now.
Yay!
You pick her.
Agarata, your body never calm down.
I think there was it with
I tell me, you know, feed this house, feed this room,
mad.
they crazy.
See you and him.
Ah, yeah.
Madness time before your madness start.
Rooboy, were you sad?
Are you
I
sad?
don't cry already now.
Me, sit down there. Me, where don't they? Joanna, calm
this
down.
is going to be tough.
It's going to be tough. Fucking hell.
Yeah.
When we came,
Oh, God, thank you. I know they go out.
I swear.
No, they already gave us like a black
go
card,
for no.
and then the black card said, you're still in the game. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
But they never give me now.
Because you dey go out.
Because you dey go out now.